Welcome guys. If you want to enable pairing mode in your JBL Charge Essential, at the first you have to power on your speaker. As you can see, in my case is turned on, and then you have to click once on this Bluetooth button. When you make it, this power button will blink on the blue, and also it will a few times make this notification sound. And after that, as you can see, my speaker appears on available devices list. So it means that right now I'm able to pair this speaker with my iPhone. So you have to just select your device on your Android phone, on your iPhone or your PC, and then after a few seconds you will be successfully connected. On the iPhone you don't have to accept the pairing request, but on the Android device you have to also click to accept. So yeah, that's how we can enable the pairing mode in your JBL Charge Essential. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.